How is imminent threat defined for police encounters? Imagine you're walking down the street when a police officer approaches you. You might wonder, what exactly makes a threat serious enough for the officer to use force? That's where the idea of an imminent threat comes in. It's a key term used to decide when police can legally use force during an encounter. An imminent threat means there is a real and immediate danger that someone could be hurt or even killed. It's not just a vague worry or a future possibility. Instead, it's about a danger that is about to happen or is likely to happen very soon. For example, if someone is pointing a gun at another person or trying to reach for a weapon with the intent to use it, that situation is considered an imminent threat. Law enforcement officers are trained to judge whether a threat is imminent based on what they see and hear at the moment. They look at things like how close the person is, what they are doing, and whether they have access to a weapon. The officer's judgment must be reasonable, meaning it makes sense based on what they know at that time. Fear alone is not enough. Their decision has to be based on facts and circumstances. To decide if a threat is imminent, three main factors are considered. First, does the person have the ability to cause harm? This could mean they have a weapon or are physically capable of attacking. Second, does the person show an intention to cause harm? This might be through threatening words or aggressive actions. Third, is the person close enough to act? If they are far away, it might not be seen as imminent. It's important to note that a threat does not have to involve a weapon. If someone is charging at an officer or another person in a way that suggests they want to cause serious injury, that can also be seen as an imminent threat. The focus is on whether the danger is about to happen and if the person can cause harm right now. In police encounters, understanding what makes a threat imminent helps determine when force, even deadly force, is justified. Officers are only allowed to use deadly force if they reasonably believe there is an imminent danger of death or serious injury. If the threat is not immediate, using force might not be lawful. Knowing your rights means understanding that police must have a reasonable belief that a threat is imminent before they can use force. If you are involved in a situation with law enforcement, your words and actions matter. Staying calm and avoiding actions that could be seen as threatening can help keep the situation safe. In short, an imminent threat is a real and immediate danger of serious harm or death, based on what the officer reasonably believes at that moment. This idea helps define when police can use force legally. Being aware of this can help you understand your rights during police interactions and how they make decisions about use of force.